Hi y'all, it's Miss Christ. Today you are going to be completing a Common Lit, and I'm just going to remind you how you access Common Lit. And remember that you log in using Clever, and I believe that that is your computer login and password. But you log in using Clever, and you are preloaded into my class. So in order to access Common Lit, you need to go to the Horry County Schools website, which is right here, horrycountyschools.net. You are going to select the puzzle piece. And here it might prompt you to go ahead and log into Clever now. I am always logged in, it seems, so it doesn't prompt me for that. But then you'll log in. You'll scroll down. I've got it in my favorites. If you just click the heart on it when you find it, it'll be one of the first things you see. You may have to scroll down a little bit further. When you click on this, it should go ahead and bring you to the article that you are assigned, but if you need to check the name of that article, it is in the assignment title description for today's work. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to reach out, and please do not forget to complete the attendance form before 3 o'clock. Thank you.